it's KoolKard, and I'm back again with another episode of All Cool Stuff. And I got cool stuff for you today. Check this out. I got the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro Apple Watch 3 case. And it's an all-in-one case and band. You don't even need bands for this thing. And it's an award-winning case. So I can't wait to unbox it, show you guys what it's all about. But let me tell you how this came about. I was chosen as one of 5 people to receive a free Apple Watch 3. Yes, you heard me right. A free Apple Watch 3, the latest generation, the newest thing, and a couple cases. All I have to do is review the cases and share them with you like I'm doing right now, and I get to keep the watch. And you know KoolKard's gonna keep the watch, right? Because I'm about to show you everything. Now, if you tune into my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Twitter, you'll see all the cases. But I'm gonna do a review on this award-winning case right now. Let's get into it. Let's check this out. Pretty cool. It's an all-in-one case band, and it kind of makes you. It'll kind of make your watch look like a G-Shock. Actually, it has like a regular watch band as opposed to a traditional Apple Watch band. All right, real rugged and raw. Get this thing out of here so y'all can check it out. So you just pretty much put your watch into here, snaps in like some of the other case bands that I've seen. But it has a nice design, red face on the bezel. So it's just a red accent. The majority of it is black. This is metallic. You can hear that. The buckle is metallic, has a UB on it. UB Pro. Feels pretty good. It says Supcase. You can see that right there. Supcase. Yeah, so it's cool, man. This is a nice little band. I like it. You have full access to all of the watch features and functions, so it's not restricting anything. It's not going to restrict you from charging it. As you can see, the back is open. Put that right there. You can see the back is open. All right. And, oh, this is scratch resistant. It's scratch resistant, so you're not going to have to worry about any scratches on it and messing up, or the red fading, or the red chipping. You don't have to worry about none of that, okay? So it's good quality here, guys. Put my watch in this thing real quick so you guys can get the full effect. Probably going to want to put the dial side in first. Squeeze it up in there, and then snap. Just like that. Bam. Alright, not bad. Not bad at all. I'm happy to add this to my collection. Look at it. Flexing on that UB case. UB Pro, y'all. Looks nice. Looks nice on the arm. Nice little accent. Look at it. Y'all be sure to check out iBlazing.com for other phone cases and smartwatch cases like this Apple Watch case, because there's other smartwatch cases out there too. And you make sure you check out Supcase.com as well if you want to check out this bad boy right here. And you can get them on Amazon. You can get this on Amazon for $17.99 specifically, but you can go up to Supcase.com, check out what they have to offer as well. Hey, thanks for tuning in, guys, to another episode of All Cool Stuff. It is your boy KoolKard, and you just witnessed the unboxing of the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro Apple Watch 3 case. Man, something to have. I'm telling you, I love it. You guys go pick it up on Amazon. Sells for about $17.99. You can get your own. I'm telling you, it's great. All right. Until next time, guys, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And don't forget to like it and share it and tell somebody about it. Until next time, guys. Peace out. Going to the moon. Going to the moon for you. Going to the moon. And I see spaceships and rockets. Gold heart-shaped lockets. I'm the plug in the socket.